Side of the vehicle, 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 side of the vehicle. Good. Okay. Honking the horn in that situation was good because, and I'll tell you why. Honking the horn in that situation was fine because he did other things prior to honking the horn. He positioned himself for safety, located the hazard, adapted to the hazard, didn't have to negotiate a threat at all. So right here, side of the vehicle. So being situationally aware means you're actually actively looking for hazards. The side of the vehicle right here is the most easy pattern to look for and see. And that right there will tell you a path of travel violation. Wherever that hood is and wherever that front of the car is, you know they're going that way. We are going this way. Look what happens right here. We intersect. That's a path of travel violation, okay? So be very careful with that. So that only happens with cars and vehicles that are side of the vehicle. Here's the side of the vehicle, here's the side of the vehicle, here's the side of the vehicle, here's the side of the vehicle. They're all parked, so they're not really hazards. This one though, because he's in the roadway, is a hazard. So as soon as you see that, roll off the throttle, position yourself a little bit easier for safety. So when we talk about position, remember, okay, lane position 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. As soon as I see this, I'm right here, right? I'm just gonna adapt and go over here. I'll be in lane position 1 in this lane. And that's it. So that's gonna give me the best space cushion. It's gonna give me the best escape routes. And I have great vision because now I don't have this car in front of me. So that's amazing. But here's another thing. It's gonna give this person an opportunity to have a free lane. So they're gonna get into it. So we are all being cooperative. We're all being helpful. We're all being, you know, good riders, good for the community. We're not being looked at like bad people out there riding because, you know, the image that motorcyclists have. So maybe if we start doing this more and more often, maybe we get better laws when it comes to motorcycles. I'm just saying, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. So anyways, we're going to do this. Soon as they saw this, you notice that he's maintaining a space cushion. He's not fighting for his spot. He's not running up in here to fight for it. So this right here is being a smart rider. Saw what's possibly happening, maintained a good space cushion, has an escape route to the right because this person right here is coming to our path of travel. There's no honking until after the fact. He moves over just a little bit. When I say after the fact, I mean during the fact, but he's applying brake pressure and he's also moving over to this lane, okay? So it's fine to honk the horn in this situation, but when somebody's hauling like 50, 60 miles an hour, they're not gonna hear you. In this situation, it's fine, especially since he's actually actively moving, okay? A lot of people, they'll just go here or they'll go here towards the vehicle and honk, trying to get their attention, when in reality, what you need to do is move over and then fine, go ahead and honk a little bit. But the thing is, this is what I care about. This is what I care about. I care about the moving to the right. Get yourself out of that situation, then say something. Don't do it and fight. You see how he has to increase his speed? You hear the RPMs again? It's because he's actually applying more throttle. It's because he slowed down prior to this. Also take a look. Whenever you see a car with a lot of damage or any type of damage, see how the hood? It means they're not the best riders. Grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. Anyways, they sponsor this channel, so make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. I'll see you guys around.